Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and currently we are in the photo mode, but it does not really matter because in this device, in the settings, we've got mixed the options which are connected with the photo, with the video, etc. So let's simply enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see in the second section is connected with the video. So the video resolution is at the top. And as you can see, we've got 5 different options from which we can choose. 2 of them are with, or actually 3 of them are with 16:9 ratio. The only difference is in the kind of p-value. We've got 720p, 1080 and 4K. We've got also the full screen with 1080p. And yeah, and we've got the ratio 21:9. Basically, it's up to you which resolution you'd like to use, and all you have to do is to basically tap on the option you'd like to set. So I will pick, for example, maybe 16:9 with 720p, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, and after getting back you will be able to see the difference in the frames in the video mode. Of course, as I said, it's up to you. However, I highly recommend to use this option as it is the best possible here. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.